guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have a different kind of video for you, and it's about these apple cider gummies that I really have enjoyed a couple of bottles, but they're so expensive. The cheapest I've been able to find is $15, and those are usually the store brand, but my favorite brand, which I really enjoy better, is $20 a bottle. And so they go really fast, because you're supposed to have a few of the gummies a day. And I have heard that there are so many benefits to the apple cider vinegar. And I've written down, because I've been doing some research, and I've written down some of the benefits. It's supposed to be good for your immune system. It's supposed to help reduce inflammation. And it promotes gut health, and it triggers weight loss. So I am all for that. But like I said, I have bought a few bottles, and the store brand that I have tried, which is $15, which I consider it still a lot of money because it's something that goes really fast. They're so, they stick to your teeth, and I did not really enjoy them. So the one that I do like is $20 a bottle. That's just way too much for me. So I ordered these little molds from Amazon, and these are like little bears. I guess it's like the little kids' vitamins, but I think they're adorable, the little bears. And these are hearts. I love those. And these are like little dinosaurs and little animals. And then these are like little donuts. And it also comes with these 2 droppers. So you can just fill up the little tray with these droppers, which I'm dying to try it. And I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to make apple cider gummies today. And I think it's gonna help me to save a lot of money, and I'm really gonna enjoy them. So I am gonna do this for the first time on video with you guys. And so if it comes out good, then maybe you can try it too, because really the benefits are really good. They're delicious, actually. I'm gonna try this, and I hope it works out because it's gonna save me a whole lot of money. And like I said, I really do enjoy having the apple cider gummies instead of just putting the apple cider into my water or my juice. It's just a lot better. So let's get started with this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you will share it with your friends, and that you will consider subscribing. Under the video, there's a little subscribe button. If you could just press that, and the little bell next to it, and you'll be alerted to every time I upload a video. Let's get in my kitchen. Okay, and here's what I'm gonna use to make the gummies, the apple cider vinegar gummies. We're gonna use some honey, some apple juice, some Knox gelatin. I am gonna use the Bragg's organic apple cider vinegar, a 1/4 cup of water, some lemon juice, and of course the little molds, and something to mix your ingredients in. So let me turn this over and let's get started. Okay, first we're going to mix in a 1/4 cup of water, 3 tablespoons of honey, and if you don't want to use honey, you could use a low-carb sweetener like stevia or whatever you use, monk fruit, whatever it is you use to sweeten your coffee or your beverages. So I'm adding the 3 tablespoons of honey to the water, to a 1/4 cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice that I've already squeezed. I could tell already that these are gonna be very healthy gummies, because I know lemon and honey are very good for you. And those are just 3 of your ingredients: the water, the lemon juice and the honey. And we're gonna put this to the side because now also, I forgot, we're going to add the 3 tablespoons of the gelatin, the unflavored gelatin, into this mixture. Just to get it, what they call blooming it, just to get it going. So I'm going to use my whisk for that. It's already getting kind of thick. Okay, and now I'm gonna take you over to my stove because we're gonna heat up the 1/2 cup of apple juice and the vinegar, and then we're going to add the mixture with the gelatin. Okay, you guys, so now I'm going to add the 1/2 cup of apple juice into like medium heat, and the 1/2 cup of the apple cider vinegar. So it's 1/2 cup of the apple juice and 1/2 cup of the apple cider vinegar. And it's asking us to heat it up, but not to bring it to a boil. So now we're going to add the mixture with the gelatin and the lemon and the honey. And I'm gonna make sure I get it all. I'm gonna grab my whisk and I'm gonna start mixing it in with the apple juice and the apple cider vinegar. It smells just like the gummies that I eat. I hope that this really works out because I'm gonna be saving money and I'm gonna be able to enjoy these gummies every day with all the benefits that they have. I think it's worth it for all of us to go ahead and try to do this. I believe all the ingredients are mixed in very well. So I'm gonna get it off the heat and let it sit for just a couple minutes. And then we're gonna pour it into our little molds. Okay, you guys, so I've put my molds on a tray so that when I pick them up, it's on something that's sturdy. And I've put a napkin under them just in case I have some spillage. I've put the mix here in this container so that I can just stir it every once in a while. And let's see, let's start pouring. This could take a while. When you buy the actual gummies in the bottle, it indicates that you can have 2 gummies 3 times a day. So that's 6 gummies a day. Now you can see how you can get through the bottle really quick. And like I said, they're not cheap. So I hope this works out. I see no reason why it shouldn't. Let me continue to fill up these little molds and I will be back. Okay, so I was able to fill up the 4 trays. There was enough for the 4 trays and I had a little bit left over, so I put it in a container. You don't need the trays. You can put them in just a regular rectangular container and then cut them up in little squares, but I rather have done it this way. I think that they're super cute. And so I'm gonna put them in the fridge now. You're supposed to leave them in there for about 45 minutes or until they're cold and hardened. And then I will be back to show you what they look like. It's been about 45 minutes and I believe that my gummies are done. I'm gonna be placing them in this container. And let's see how easily or not they come out. And they're popping right out, you guys. You just completely, they're so cute. And they're little heart gummies. Here are the little bear gummies. Here are the hearts. Keep popping out the little bears. They're cute. And here are the little gummy little dinosaurs. These are coming out really easy, you guys. I must say that the only ones that really did not work were the donuts, because with the little thing in the middle, they would just crack. So I don't recommend using the donut ones, but these little dinosaur ones are popping out really easy. All these little different shapes of dinosaurs. And so did the hearts, and so did the gummies, the little bears. So I'm gonna keep popping these out. They're super cute. Another little dinosaur. Look at that dinosaur. I'm gonna keep popping these out and I'll be back. This was the leftover that I had, which I'm going to cut. Yeah, so with this, if you do it in a mold, you just go ahead and cut it into little squares with a knife. And then you're just gonna pop them out. Into little squares, like so. Which is probably a lot easier than working with the little molds, but the molds are so cute with the little shapes. So you can do it either way. Pull out the little squares, like so. And you can have as many of these a day as you like, because it's just all natural with the vinegar. In the bottle it says to have up to 6 a day. And now I'm gonna keep these in the fridge so that they can stay cool and fresh. And you can really taste the vinegar and the honey. They're really good. It's a great way of having your apple cider. But I'll be having a few of these a day. So like I said, you don't need the molds at all. Any mold will do, and you just cut them in little squares. And it's an easy way to do something good for your health. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.